Gurudevayo Namaha. From 17, no? Okay. Kaumari Shakti Hastacha Mayuravarvahana Yodam Abhyayayo Daityan Ambika Dhamarupini Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shakti Garudopari Samstita Shankha Chakra Gadha Sharga Khadgahastabhyupayayo Yanyavaraha Madulam Rupam Yavigrado Hare Shakti Sapyayayo Tatra Varahim Vibratimham Narasimhe Nrusimhasya Vibrate Sadrusham Vapuhu Prapta Tatra Sathaksheta Shipta Nakshatra Samhatihi Vajrahasta Tathaivaindri Gajarajo Paristita Prapta Sahasranayana Yata Shakrastataiva sa Tatah Parivrtastabhirishano Deva Shaktibhihi Hanyantamasura Shighram Mama Prityaha Chandikam Tato Devi Shariratu Vinishkrantati Bhishana Chandika Shakti Ratyugra Shiva Shataninadhini Sachaha Dhumra Jatilameshanamaparajita Dhudatvam Gaccha Bhagavan Pashvam Shumbani Shumbayoh Bruhi Shumbam Nishumbancha Danavavati Garvitau Ye Chanye Danavastatra Yuddhaya Samupastitaha Trailokyamindro Labhatam Deva Sanduha Virbhujaha Yuyam Prayata Patalam Yadi Jivitumicchatha Balavale Padadache Bhavanto Yuddhakamshinaha Tada Gacchada Trupyantu Matsivapishite Navaha Yato Niyukto Dhautyena Taya Devya Shivasvayam Shivaduditi Lokesmin Tatas Sakhyati Magata Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devyaha
Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devyaha Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devyaha
Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha
Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha
Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devya Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha
Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devya Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devya Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha
Amarsha Purita Jagmur
Amarsha Purita Jagmur Amarsha Purita Jagmur
Yatra Katyayani Stitha
Yatra Katyayani Stita Yatra Katyayani Stita
Amarsha Purita Jagmur Yatra Katyayani Stitha
Amarsha Purita Jagmur Yatra Katyayani Stita Amarsha Purita Jagmur Yatra Katyayani Stita
Tepi Shrutva Vacho Devya Sharvakyatham Mahasuraha Amarsha purita jagmur yatra katyayani sthitha.
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता.
So Shumba heard the message of Devi. Through Shiva came and delivered the message. Shumba heard the message. As soon as Shiva declared her words, he got so furious. Jagmur, Amarsha Purita Jagmur, is filled with rage. Amarsha means rage, anger. He was so infuriated, he just went where Katyayani, the first time this word is used, Katyayani stood where she was standing. Chandika's another name is mentioned here is Katyayani. Katyayani, there were like sages, Aryan sages knows, who were named as Katyas. She was worshipped by them. Worshipped by them, that is why she is called Katyayani. She was actually worshipped by them. She was a gentle three-eyed goddess. Probably three-eyed was mentioned later in the Saiva traditions because they wanted to keep it as Shiva's wife, and Saiva tradition that three eyes were mentioned. But initially, so the Vedic literature, Aryan sages means Vedic literature, it is all long back. So she was worshipped by Katyas, the sages, Aryan sages known as Katyas. Katyayani, he goes straight away, he stands in front of her to fight. He said, I am not going to take your words, I will fight in the battle. Tatah prathamamevagre Sharasaktyrushti vrushtibhihi I know it is difficult. Shakt Yurushti Vrushti. Yurushti Vrushti. Okay? Yurushti. It is a tongue twister. Shakt Yurushti Vrushti. Yurushti. Okay? Yurushti Vrushti. Shara Shaktirushti Vrushtibhihi. Shara Shaktirushti Vrushtibhihi. Okay. Tatah prathamamevagre Shara Shaktirushti Vrushtibhihi. You all got it. Vavarshuruddhatma Tamarshas Tham Devi Mamararaya. Okay. No. Amarsha. Okay. Tamarshas. No, I am just Vavarshuruddha Marshastam Vavarshuruddha Tamarshas Got it? Vavarshuruddha Tam Asha. Vavarshurudhatamarshas Tam Devim Amararayah Vavarshurudhatamarshas Tam Devim Amararayah Tatah prathamamevagre sharatsyaktryushtivrushtibihi Vavarshurudhatamarshas Tam Devim Amararayah
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तां देवीममरारयः ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तां देवीममरारयः
Amarsha is anger. Okay, Amarsha is anger. Tatah prathamameva gre sharat saktrushti panaya. Sharat saktrushti vrishtibihi. The first, at the outbreak of the battle, the first meva gre, first, what happens? The gods Amara Devim Amararaya. Amararaya means God's adversaries. Okay, God's adversaries here are the demons. Shaktrushti Vrishtibihi. Shara Shaktrushti Vrishtibihi. Shara means arrows. Shakti means spears. Vrushti means what is that? Lances kind of a thing. Javelin kind of a thing. Lances. And Vrishtibihi means that they rained all these things. The moment they straight away got into the battle, the moment it commenced, they are the first one to attack. So they were raining arrows, all the spears and lances at Devi. Vavashu Ruddha Arshastha. Amarsha means, I told you, it is anger. Ruddha, Uddha, Vavashu, Uddha. Vavashuhu Uddha. They are arrogant. Vavashu Uddha means arrogant. Arrogant in anger. Arrogant as well as angry. They started raining torrents of arrows and spears at her. This is the first. They are only attacking her, not her. She is not doing anything. This thing is started by them. Okay, understand that. Sachatan prahitan banan Shula Shakti Parashvadhan Sandhi has come there. So Banan Chula. Okay, Banan Chula. When Banan Shula changes into Banan Chula. Okay. Sajatan Prahitan Banan Chula Shakti Parashvadhan.
Sajatan Prahitan Banan Chula Shakti Parashvadhan. Sajatan Prahitan Banan Chula Shakti Parashvadhan.
Chicheda Leelayatmadha Dhanur Muktair Maheshubihi Chicheda Leelayatmadha Dhanur Muktair Maheshubihi
Chichedalila Yadmata Dhanur Mukta धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः चिच्छेदलीलयात्मातर्धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः
सा च तान् प्रहितान् बाणान् चूलशक्तिपरश्वदान् चिच्छेदलीलयाद्मातर्धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः
सा च तान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वदान् चिच्छेदलीलयाद्मातर्धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः सा च तान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वदान् चिच्छेदलीलयाद्मातर्धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः.
So she has to now defend. They have attacked her. So what she did is Dhanur Muktair Maheshubhi. She shot arrows. Maheshubhi means great arrows from her bow that she is having. From that she was discharging Dhanur Muktair Maheshubhi. Very great powerful arrow she sent from her thing, and what with that arrows what they did, Bana Shula Shakti Parashvathan Sicheda. Their Shulam arrows, Banam, Shulam, that is the Shulam, spears, lances, everything, it broke into pieces. The arrows, the great arrows that she discharged from her bow, destroyed all the weapons that were hurled upon her. Okay, Prahitan means what is hurled upon her. All the Banam, Shulam, Shakti and Parash axes, that Parashurama, what axe he holds, like that. That axe, everything, like whatever was being hurled upon her, she just destroys everything with her powerful bows, arrows. Tasyagrathasthatha Kali.
Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Tasyagrathasthatha Kali.
Shulapatha Vidharitan.
Shulapatha Vidharitan. Shulapatha Vidharitan.
Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan.
Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan. Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan.
Khatvangapotitamscharin.
Khatvangapotitamscharin. Khatvangapotitamscharin.
Kurvati Vyacharathada.
Kurvati Vyacharathada. Kurvati Vyacharathada.
Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada.
Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada. Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada.
Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan. Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada.
Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan. Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada. Tasyagrathasthatha Kali. Shulapatha Vidharitan. Khatvangapotitamscharin. Kurvati Vyacharathada.
So in the battlefront, Kali was just roaming around. Okay. So on her, as she was roaming around, she slashed few with her Shulam Patha Vidharita, slit them asunder like slit them into two with her shulam, and khadgam, that she had a katvangam, she had, no, with a stump kind of a thing with a skull fitted on it. I told you, like, it is caught, no. Leg of a cart, katvanga. And there is a skull fitted on top of it, Vichitrakatvanga, we call it, no? So that kind of a thing. With that she slashed few, skull chopped off lot of people. Like crushed them with that, kurvati. Poti thams means she killed them, destroyed them with that. As she just walked around the battlefield. And then she did, in between she did few things. See, the next contrast is how, like, as much as Kali's things are so, like, ferocious aspect of Devi, immediately the next line comes. Kamandalu jalakshepa hatha viryan hatha ujasaha. So Brahmani comes very quietly. The contrast is something so stark. After seeing Kali, and then next comes Brahmani. Everybody has got their own way of fighting, and very softest way of killing is by Brahmani only. She just sprinkles water. Here someone is splitting someone into two with their shulam and thing. She will just spit water on them and they become weak and they die. Kamandalu jalakshepa,
Kamandalu jalakshepa, Kamandalu jalakshepa,
Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha,
Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha,
Kamandalu jalakshepa, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha,
Kamandalu jalakshepa, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha, Kamandalu jalakshepa, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha,
Brahmani chakaro chatrun,
Brahmani chakaro chatrun, Brahmani chakaro chatrun.
Actually that is chakaro shatru. Okay, that is sandhi has come. Chakaro chatru. Okay, yena smadhavati,
Yena smadhavati, Yena smadhavati,
Brahmani chakaro chatrun, yena smadhavati.
Brahmani chakaro chatrun, Yena smadhavati.
So should we split the through and then yena, or it is joined here?
Chatru.
Yena it is given.
Yena. Yeah, yena.
Yena. No.
No,
Yena
okay.
it is given.
Okay. Yena.
Brahmani chakaro chatru yena. First one is yena.
Nye. No, chatrun comes, that yin comes with the previous word.
Yeah. So should we pause there?
Pause there and say it, yena. Wherever she went, that is what yena smadhavati. Wherever she went, that is what yena. Chatrun, yena. Okay. Brahmani chakaro chatrun, yena smadhavati. Split it like that, okay? I have to say two lines together, okay? Kamandalu jalakshepa, hatha viryan hatha ujasaha, Brahmani chakaro chatrun, yena smadhavati.
Kamandalu jalakshepa, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha, Brahmani chakaro chatrun, yena smadhavati. Kamandalu jalakshepa, Hatha viryan hatha ujasaha, Brahmani chakaro chatrun, yena smadhavati.
Shatru means singular. Shatrun means it is plural. So enemies, all enemies. That is why that in has come there. Okay. Kamandalu Jalakshepa Hataviryan Hataujasa. She was also like Kali. Kali is going in one form, and this one is going also around the battlefield. And wherever she went, she was sprinkling that water from the Kamandalu. And what happens? Hataujasa. That way she was sapping that energy. She made them weak and fall down. Soft way of killing. How nice it is. Instead of being harsh. I mean, when he was working, he had something on the table like, when you say someone to go to hell, say it in such a way that they look forward to. It is like that. The act is the same. Act is the same. Killing is the same. But the way she has done it gives some kind of relief for us when you are reading it. Okay, so she was disabling all the, weakening all the enemies, sprinkling wherever she went. Yena smadhavati. Wherever she went. She was also roaming around in the battlefield. Wherever she went, she was just sprinkling water from her Kamandalu. Maheshwari Trishulena.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Maheshwari Trishulena.
Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi.
Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi. Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi.
Daityan Jagana Kaumari.
Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Daityan Jagana Kaumari.
Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Tatha Shaktyadhikopana. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana. Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi. Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi. Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana. Maheshwari Trishulena. Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi. Daityan Jagana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyadhikopana.
Actually, it is not a full stop. There is Athikopana is only a comma because it talks about Aindri who comes next. Okay. For Kaumari, it ends with Shakti. That's it. Water with her sphere. So now they are not. Each one has been how they were killing the Rakshasas. Maheshwari with her Trishula. Kaumari, Vaishnavi is with her Chakram, discus. And Kaumari is with her sphere, Shakti Ayudha. So Athikopana Aindri is the next one. Okay, Athikopana Aindri. That comes next. They are not, see, first two were given, like, explain. If you see the pattern of storytelling in Dev Mahatmyam, even when all the Asuras were killed one by one, they first one or two, they give in very detailed version. After that, they just go by, like, in one line or two line, it gets over like. In the same way, Kali, and probably to give that contrast, Kali and Brahmani, how those two were acting, but now everyone with one line they finish it off, okay? Aindri Kulisha Pathena,
Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Aindri Kulisha Pathena,
Shatasho Daitya Danavaha,
Shatasho Daitya Danavaha, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha,
Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha,
Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha, Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha,
Petur Vidharita Prithvyam,
Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Petur Vidharita Prithvyam,
Rudirauga Pravarshinaha,
Rudirauga Pravarshinaha, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha,
Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha,
Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha, Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha,
Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha, Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha.
Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha, Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha, Aindri Kulisha Pathena, Shatasho Daitya Danavaha, Petur Vidharita Prithvyam, Rudirauga Pravarshinaha.
Aindri, the wrathful, very angry Aindri. Kulisham, Kulisham means the thunderbolt that she is holding. That is called Kulisham. Another name is Kulisham. With her thunderbolt, she destroyed, killed a lot of Danavas. What happened? Because all these people were fighting like this, hundreds of demons, Daityas and Danavas, Petur Vidharita, split open and they fell down. Pratyam Rudirauga Pravarshina. What happened? That gave rise to Rudirauga, means torrents of blood that was flowing on this earth. Because so many were killed in a very gruesome way. Tunda Prahara Vidvastha,
Tunda Prahara Vidvasta, Tunda Prahara Vidvasta,
Damshtra Grakshata Vakshasaha,
Damshra Grakshata Vakshasaha,
Damshtra Grakshata Vakshasaha. Vakshasa means the chest. Okay. Tunda Prahara Vidvasta, Damshtra Grakshata Vakshasaha,
Tunda Prahara Vidvasta, Damshra Grakshata Vakshasaha, Tunda Prahara Vidvasta, Damshra Grakshata Vakshasaha,
Varaha Murtya Nyapatam,
Varaha Murtya Nyapatam, Varaha Murtya Nyapatam,
Chakrena cha vidharitaha,
Chakrena cha Vidharitaha, Chakrena cha Vidharitaha,
Varaha Murtya Nyapatam Chakrena cha vidharitaha,
वाराहमूर्त्या न्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः वाराहमूर्त्या न्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः
तुण्डप्रहार विध्वस्ता दंष्ट्राग्रक्षत वक्षसः वाराहमूर्त्या न्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः
तुण्डप्रहार विध्वस्ता दंष्ट्राग्रक्षत वक्षसः वाराहमूर्त्या न्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः तुण्डप्रहार विध्वस्ता दंष्ट्राग्रक्षत वक्षसः वाराहमूर्त्या न्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः.
Tunda means the snout of the boar, no? Varahi is boar-like presence. So that with that snout, she gave that kind of blow, prahara, vidvasta. She scattered all the vasuras. She was just moving her face, like, head. So because of her that snout, they got blows and they got scattered away. Damsha Grakshada Vakshasaka. And she has got two canines, protruding canines. With that she was like tearing open the chest of Vakshasaka. Grakshata Vakshasaka. The chest of those Danavas. Okay. Varaha Murtyanava. This is Vaishnavi, Mahavishnu Savatara Mundi, Yanya Varaha Murti. So she has also got the chakram with her. She uses that also. She was like chakrena vidharitaha. She like ripped apart people with her chakra. Varaha Murti, she ripped apart people with the chakram that she had. Naghair vidaritam schanyan.
Naghair vidaritam schanyan.
Bhakshayanti Mahasuran.
Bhakshayanti Mahasuran. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran.
Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran.
Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran. Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran.
Narasimhi chacharajau.
Narasimhi chacharajau. Narasimhi chacharajau.
Nada purna digambara.
Nada purna digambara. Nada purna digambara.
Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara.
Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara. Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara.
Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran. Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara.
Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran. Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara. Naghair vidaritam schanyan. Bhakshayanti Mahasuran. Narasimhi chacharajau. Nada purna digambara.
Lion, I told you, has the way of using only the claws and ripping off people. So Narasimhi also was doing like ripping off the asuras with her nails. Naghair vidharita. With her nails she was tearing apart the asuras. Bhakshayanti, she also ate them. She didn't leave them They are deserted. She led them to Mahasura, Narasimhi. And as she was roaming around, Chacharaja, Chachara means roaming around in the battlefield, the way she was howling, the roar was filling up the sky. Nada Purna Digambara. The entire sky was filled with her roar. Chandataha Sairasuraha
Chandataha Sairasuraha
Shivadhotyapi Dushitaha
Shivadhutyavidhushitaha
Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhotyapi Dushitaha
Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhutyavidhushitaha Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhutyavidhushitaha
Petuh Prutuvyam Patitams
Petuh Pruthivyam Patitams
Chakhatam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada. See, the two tams are coming there. Patitams Tam. Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada. Two tams are coming. Okay. Petuh Prutuvyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada.
Petuh Pruthivyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada Petuh Pruthivyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada
Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhotyapi Dushitaha Petuh Prutuvyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada.
Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhutyavidhushitaha Petuh Pruthivyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada Chandataha Sairasura Shivadhutyavidhushitaha Petuh Pruthivyam Patitams Tams Chakhatat Satada.
Shivadhuti just laughed. Chandatahasa, violent laughter. That the asuras heard and many fell down on the ground. Her violent laughter made many Shivadhuti. So anger, no? Shivadhuti came out of anger of Chandika, no? So the moment she started laughing loudly like that, violently, many asuras fell down. Prithivyam, they fell down on earth. Those who fell down, she ate them then and there. She devoured all of them, the fallen ones. She didn't eat others. Only the fallen ones she ate. She devoured those fallen ones. Prithivyam Patitams Thams Chakhatada Satada. Immediately she ate them, whoever fell down. See, this is the way the Matruganas, the Sattamatas, they were fighting the battle. We will come to what does it mean actually. Now we saw the very gory aspect of any battlefield is only gory aspect. It is not a peaceful one. Whether you use weapons or whether you use now the modern warfare, whatever it is very tragedy it is only, no? Iti matruganam kruddham
Iti matruganam kruddham
Mardhayantam mahasuran Iti matruganam kruddham Mardhayantam mahasuran
Iti matruganam kruddham Mardhayantam mahasuran इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मार्दयन्तं महासुरान्
दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्
दृष्ट्वा
make it correct, like the split you make it right, because it is all given in one row without splitting the meaning. Okay, दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्
दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्
नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः
enemy troops, Devari Sainikaha. The enemy troops, Drishtva, they saw this Madrughanam Kruddham, the angry band of these mothers. Mardayantam, the way they were destroying the Asuras, Mahasuras, not normal people, they are all Mahasuras, the way they were destroying Vividhair, Abhyupayir, the way, different ways they were doing it. Not all are not doing it in the same way. In very, very varied way, they were killing the Daityas, which they saw. The moment they saw it, Neshur Devari, they fled from the place. Devari, the enemy troop, fled the place when they saw in different varied ways this band of these mothers, they were destroying, killing the Asuras. Mardhayati means destroying or killing. Okay, Mardhayati. Now we come here. What is the different ways? We saw very raw killing of Kali on one side. This is like, the destruction of ego is, as I have always told, is very difficult. It has to be done with a stern hand. That is the reason Kali uses a very brutal way of killing. Kali's way of killing is very brutal. So there is no way that we will give up our ego so easily. That is the reason her killings are brutal. Whereas when you come to Brahmani, very beautiful it is that she just sprinkles water. Very gently she is killing people. What does it mean? Why Brahmani has to do something like that? You see, we all, when we do a lot of things, especially when we do something wrong, inner consciousness tells us you are doing wrong. But we do it in spite of it is different thing. But there is that voice that is inside you which warns you are doing wrong. So that is what, that when you become very highly sensitive to the voice inside, that inner voice, the wrongdoing thoughts die away. They lose their strength. We have to understand this. This is what happens inside us. especially when we are doing wrong, there is a voice that is inside says, consciousness says that it is wrong. We know that it is wrong. When we become very sensitive to that voice, whether our sensitivity goes up, goes higher to that voice and listen to that, the instinct of doing something wrong also comes down. This is exactly what happens when Brahmani, it is mentioned here, like they weakened, they said. They never said like, they got weakened and they fell down. So the thoughts, the wrongdoing thoughts get really weakened and they die off. They have their own death, die on their own. So that thought doesn't come. But why? When it will come? When your sensitivity towards that voice increases. If we don't listen to the voice and still go on to do, it cannot do anything. Physically stop you from doing it. But it can only guide you to some extent. If you listen to that voice, your sensitivity increases to that voice. Then you listen to it, the thoughts, the negative thoughts that come to your head die down automatically. This is what is every mother, whatever it is mentioned here, there are so many ways of killing. We have to understand it is not easy to be a sadhaka and progress in your spiritual endeavor. Your spiritual goal is there. To achieve as a sadhaka is the most difficult thing, because there are going to be a lot of hurdles, lot of impediments that are going to come on the way. That is why there are so many varieties of killing is mentioned here, mainly for that reason. Each impediment cannot be dealt in the same way. They have their own way to be destroyed. They have their own way of, you have to get over it and come. You cannot treat the same thing for all your impediments. So to be a sadhaka and to grow in your spiritual life, you progress in your spiritual life, it is not easy. There are difficulties. You cross each one in their own way. And then you come out walk towards your enlightenment. This is what our path is. Spiritual entitlement for a sadhaka is not an easy job. That is what my Swami used to say. Shivananda's disciple was Swami Shivananda of Rishikesh, Shantananda is called. He used to say, just imagine Bhaktamira crossed the desert of Rajasthan to come to Mathura. Doesn't mean that she walked and there were a lot of people waiting to give her water bottles so she can cross the desert and come to Mathura. The pain of walking in the desert, the harsh sun, the scorching sun, she didn't feel it because Krishna Nama she was living in the Krishna Nama. It is not easy. We all know, great saints have been born in this world, in this Bharata Desha. They all are worshipped as saints now. Their path was not easy. They overcame all the difficulties and still stuck down to their only goal. He used to always cite Meera's example. Whenever nobody was waiting there with her, with bottles of waters on the way when she crossed the desert and she went to Mathura from Rajasthan. That we have to understand that. We all think the kind of devotion and the dedication and the nama that has become their second aspect of them. That takes the prime aspect of them. So the nama is something that has kept her going. Meeting Krishna was her ultimate one. So when that destination was clear, you don't know the hurdles you don't feel the hurdles in the path as hurdles, because your mind is fixed on something that is much more superior. Understand that this is what that all the mothers having different ways of killing only means that you deal with the impediments on the way of your path in different ways. In different ways that you have to do it. The worst has been the Kali, because that is the ultimate. To give up your ego is the ultimate. That is why the worst has been given to Kali. Okay. So now the reaction now has happened. Now what is the next stage of the enemies, what they are going to do? Palayana paran drushtva.
Palayana paran drushtva. Palayana paran drushtva.
Daityan madruganardhitam.
Daityan madruganarditan. Daityan madruganarditan.
Palayana paran drushtva. Daityan madruganardhitam.
Palayana param drushtva. Daityan madruganarditan. Palayana param drushtva. Daityan madruganarditan.
Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho.
Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho.
Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Raktabhijo mahasuraha. Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha. Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Palayana paran drushtva. Daityan madruganardhitan. Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Palayana param drushtva. Daityan madruganarditan. Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha. Palayana param drushtva. Daityan madruganarditan. Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho. Raktabhijo mahasuraha.
Drishtva, seeing, Palayana paran daityan madruganarditan, tormented by these mothers, the remaining army, the fleeing army of the Daityas, Mahasuras, who saw it, Yodhumabhyayayau kruddho raktabhijo mahasura. Raktabhija, Mahasura. Raktabhija is a great asura. He got so angry at the fleeing army who were tormented by these mothers, and Yodhumabhyayayau, now with the intention to fight, he comes into the battlefield. Just an introduction to Raktabhija. Next one line we will learn and we will stop there, because what is Raktabhija? Raktabhija, bija means seed. His blood is the seed. Every drop of blood, every drop will give rise to one asura of his same capacity, like Rupam, valor, everything. Every drop that falls on the ground gives rise to one asura. That is why he is called Raktabhija. That is what is explained the next. Raktabindur yadha bhumau.
Raktabindur yada bhumau. Raktabindur yada bhumau.
Patastasya sharirataha.
Patastasya sharirataha.
Patatyasya sharirataha.
Patatyasya sharirataha. Patatyasya sharirataha.
Raktabindur yada bhumau. Patatyasya sharirataha.
Raktabindur yada bhumau. पतत्यस्य शरीरतः रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः
समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम्
समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम्
तत्प्रमाणस्तथासुरः तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः
समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः
रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः
रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतत्यस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्याम् तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः.
Whenever a drop of blood from his body falls on the ground, an asura like him, tat pramanam, exactly like him, one more asura rise up from the earth. Every time one drop, bhumam patastasya. Patastasya means drops on the from his body, from yasya shariratah, yasya shariratah, from his body, every drop that falls on the ground, samutpatati medinyam, from that earth rise up. Samutpatati, utpatati means, samutpatati means rising up from that place. So medinyam, from here, tat pramanas tadasura, asura exactly like him. So for every drop of blood, one asura will emerge. That falls on the ground. Every drop that falls on the ground, that is very important, underline, that falls on the ground, one asura comes up. We'll stop with this today because the next one is Rakta Bijas, the way he is dealt with. Okay, we will see it next class. That is tomorrow. We'll start with that. 29. तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्याः सर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः ववशुरुद्धा तामशास्तां देवीममरारयः सा च तान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्ति परश्वदान् चिच्चेदलीलयात्माथ धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः तस्याग्रदस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान् खट्वाङ्गपोतितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा कमण्डलुजलाक्षेप हतवीर्यान् हतौजसः ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्चत्रून् येन स्मदावती माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी दैत्यान् जगान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना ऐन्द्रीकुलिशपातेन शतशो दैत्यदानवाः पेतुर्विदारिता पृथ्व्यां रुधिरौघप्रवर्षिणः कुण्डप्र प्रहारविध्वस्ता दंशाग्रक्षत वक्षसः वाराहमूर्त्यान्यपतंश्चक्रेण च विदारिताः नखैर्विदारितांश्चान्यान् भक्षयन्ती महासुरान् नारसिंही च चाराजौ नादापूर्णदिगम्बरा चण्डाट्टहासैरसुराः शिवधूर्त्यपि दूषिताः पेतुः पृथिव्यां पतितांस्तांश्च घातातसा तदा इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारिसैनिकाः पलायनपरां दृष्ट्वा दैत्यान् मातृगणार्दितान् योद्धुमव्याययौ क्रुद्धो रक्तबीजो महासुरः रक्तबिन्दुर्यदा भूमौ पतस्य शरीरतः समुत्पतति मेदिन्यां तत्प्रमाणस्तदासुरः।